In 2017, we launched the MI3360 Omega GT XA, an all-around solution which quickly became a benchmark for accurate and reliable electrical equipment testing. But times have changed, and now new testing standards are in effect. VDE 0701 and VDE 0702 national standards became the long-awaited EN 50678 and EN 50699 European standards. And new standards require new solutions. Introducing the MI3365 OmegaEE XD. Versatile, rugged, and comes in 4 flavors to cover all your testing needs. But most importantly, those prescribed by the new standards, like testing of devices with floating inputs, mains connected power analyzers, desktop voltmeters, oscilloscopes, and others. They can be tested using the paper and pencil method or the Metrel way. The paper and pencil method is time-consuming and error-prone. And the Metrel way, a few taps on the MI3365 OmegaEE XD's touchscreen, and you're good to go. Another novelty the new standards bring is the requirement to test audio, video, information, and communication equipment after repair in accordance with the EN 62368-1 standard. But don't worry, the MI3365 has got your back. With everything literary at your fingertips, what more could you want? Perhaps support for testing electric vehicle supply equipment. We have the tools for that as well. The A1832 Mode 3 charging cable adapter, a portable testing solution that makes testing charging cables a breeze. From layman to journeyman, everyone who gets their hands on the OmegaEE will find that versatility does come in a small package. Choose wisely. Choose Metrel.